Hello and welcome to E-Prime, I'm Deidran. A father and son collaboration. Reggae superstar Barrington Levy and his son Shane recently teamed up for the latest single titled Roses. The idea for the song from the upcoming artist came from his father's 1983 classic Black Roses. The Black Roses single was written by Levy to empower and strengthen respect for the black beauty. The Roses collaboration has an edgy, vibrant dancehall, pop and reggae crossover sound.
Something special is in my garden. Black roses in my garden. Yes, I've got black roses blooming in my garden. To keep on caring till that water.
Desperate times call for desperate brothers. Jamaican actor and filmmaker Marlon Samuta shares the storyline for his latest project titled Immigrant Brothers.
Immigrant Brothers tells the story of three homeless illegal immigrants trying to survive on the streets of LA. One is from Jamaica, one is from Mexico, and one is from Syria. Immigrant Brothers recently won the Best Actor in a Short Drama at the Atlantic City Cinefest in New Jersey. We won Best Producers at the Golden Movie Awards Goddess Nike, and we also won Best Short Drama at the European Cinematography Awards. Immigrant Brothers has also screened in the Sanctuary Cove International Film Festival in Australia and 4 other festivals in the United States. I'll be going to Brazil for a whole month to shoot a feature film. Stay tuned for more from Marlon Samuta.
The film depicts a very common situation. Immigrant Brothers made the rounds at various international festivals, taking home a few major awards. On the international scene, Bajan pop superstar Rihanna was hoping to end the year on a high note until tragedy hit home. The pop star's cousin was shot and killed on Boxing Day mere hours after they spent Christmas Day together in Barbados. Details surrounding his death are not yet known. The 8-time Grammy Award winner, who was recently honored with her own street named Rihanna Drive in Barbados, took to Instagram to express her sorrow at her cousin's passing, adding the hashtag #EndGunViolence. Rihanna has had a successful year in fashion and cosmetics, even without releasing a new album. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.